Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. We took a little bit of time off to rest and recharge. Things take some time, but we're back. I think we're going to go down to maybe one video a day for a bit, see how that does. Maybe get back to the 2 a days, but we don't want to burn ourselves out. We're going real hard, getting through a lot of stuff.
Fluctuate.
Yeah, we do want to get
the
some
unexpected.
Yes, varied content is coming sooner than you'd expect. Probably right now. You probably watched a video before this that was like, that wasn't what they usually do. But we're back at it with Alpha Wolf. Now, some of you keen-eyed viewers might know we've already heard the dude's voice. Because Cryogenesis, that distant track we react to and love, the dude from this, I'm going to butcher his name, so I'm not going to say it. No, I'm not going to fucking say it. I'm not going to say it. Y'all can look it up. It'll be in a comment below. That guy, okay? Badass, okay? Haven't heard Alpha Wolf, though. This song came out 10 months ago. Akudama apparently means villain. All I know is we're going to listen to this stuff. But first, Reese needs to play that track. I have a feeling it's going to be amazing.
Watch the bodies drop.
I'm watching. If he's wearing fox gear like it's 2002, I like it. My
Walking from beat.
Who's Charizard? What's going on in this video? I really like the anime-inspired visuals.
Because without me, you'll fall apart. It's all done Premiere Pro. They're better than me.
I was gonna say, this is some editing skills here.
Gohan! It's Team Gohan! The best of Gohan.
I didn't know Tasmania threw down this hard. Hey, what color? This is just a nostalgia trip for 90s kids. I like it. It's a fucking quick scope.
That fucking frame tracking.
Dude, this guy goes hard. This whole band is just slapping.
Oh god. I got concerned.
Break it down, boys. I want to express myself physically with my body. Is it this?
Well, you can do it with Verbo and find your
Fuck
getaway.
Verbo, I wanted more.
Nope,
You
that was it.
Fucking teases. How fucking dare you make a song that heavy and that short? It feels like Holy Roller all over again.
Was it that short?
But I
Yeah, it
could've
was.
gone for
2:36.
longer.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Just 2:36. Okay.
What happened? I was about to get violent in this room. Jesus. You can't even stop bumping, can you?
No, I still hear the riff in my head.
I knew I was gonna like it.
wee.
I mean, Sharp Tone is just signing fucking badass band after badass band. See, like, they have it all. I'm pretty sure they have Loathe and Crystal Lake right now. So, I'm almost positive they have both of them. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's Loathe. I can see it. The top. And I'm pretty sure they have Crystal Lake. Watch me be totally wrong and look like an idiot, which I do
Oh look,
almost every
stepson.
video. that keeps popping up too. But here's what I do know. If y'all listen to Alpha Wolf and are big fans, throw more tracks below. Need to hear more. Need to know what their best songs are. This song slapped. Like, if this is the fucking bar, we're good. We're good. Like, this is already going in playlists. But until that time, stay safe. We'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
He's a bobblehead.